Right, hello, RX Codes. How's it going? We're live, guys.
Hey guys,
Another week of tutorials. How's it going? How are you doing, RX Code?
it's going good. How about you?
I'm good, I'm good. It's been a busy week. We have some drawings here. I have a question for you. Do you think this is a bear or do you think this is a squirrel? This
I
little drawing
hold
here.
on, I can't see it.
Oh, no, you can't see it? Oh, okay. It looks like a bear to me. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but
Oh, I think I see a bear.
yeah. I would bring my camera down, but it's with my computer. So there's also an owl next to it. So
Oh, that's what that is.
yeah. All right. So today we're gonna continue making the game that we were doing last week. Do you wanna talk about the game, Arsenal, that we were doing last week with everyone?
Okay, so last week we started on making like a Flappy Bird clone,
Mm-hmm.
and we got the basics down. We got a flying plane, and we got some obstacles, but of course we have to adjust it and make it better.
Yeah. All right. So I'm sharing my screen here, and let's open our project. So oh, I clicked on play. So we're just gonna show you what we did. Here you go. It's a very simple game. Now we're just gonna add the obstacles and the layer overs as well. All right, edit. All right, guys, let us know if you have any questions throughout our stream. So yeah, this is a learning opportunity for everyone. So, okay. So for the obstacles, Arxold, what were you thinking about adding, like specifically? Do you have anything in mind? Should we add a character, like a little enemy? Or...
Hmm. Um.
Mhm.
For now, I think we already have obstacles.
Yeah,
That's the spikes,
yeah,
but I think we should make the spikes like move randomly, because they are in the same place every time.
yeah. That'd be cool. That'd be cool.
Yeah,
So we go to the layers then, and then we're gonna focus on the main layer for that.
yeah. Let's go to the empty box, the
The
thin one,
oh,
because that's where the objects spawn.
well, I'm trying to remember if which layer the main box is at right now. Is it global UI?
It should be in the main layer.
Oh, okay. It's on the scene UI.
Oh, I'm talking about the smaller box.
Oh, the smaller box. Okay, okay. I thought you were talking about the main. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go to the behaviors, and we want um, to add like for in different places, right? The obstacle. You don't want the obstacle to be.
So what we're gonna do is like just move the obstacles when they're spawned. Like just
Mhm.
move them randomly. Um, there's a behavior called random number, and it
Oh,
will generate a random number that you can use in another behavior. So let's use random number.
all right. Oh, guys, by the way, before we get into this, if you don't have HyperPad right now, you should download it because we're having a promotion until the end of today. HyperPad's only 4.99. Okay, so download it.
Oh yeah, today's the last day.
From 14.99 to 4.99. That's it. Download it. All
Download
right.
it while you still can.
Yes. All right. Random numbers, going back to the behaviors, and
Yep.
then click on it.
Uh, yeah, and you can generate a random number from one number to another number. Let's say 0 to like 5 ish,
All right. Mm-hmm.
and this will generate a random number between 0 to 5.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, let's put it under one of the spawn on object behaviors and see how it works.
Under the spawn of the object behaviors. Okay.
Yeah, under one of them. There's two of them
Oh, okay,
here.
okay. Here
Yeah,
you.
so let's plug it under one of them.
Okay.
Okay, and then we want another behavior called move by.
Move by. Okay. Move by. Mm-hmm.
Yep, and we want to put that under the random number behavior.
Ooh. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Cool. And this is gonna sound like a little complex.
Okay.
So select the move by behavior.
Select the move by behavior. Okay.
Yeah. And there's a green circle that pops up on some of these behaviors. These are called output fields.
Oh yeah, this is when I first started using HiPad. This was something that I struggle with a lot. So if you can
Yeah. So
explain
what
that to the
output
new
fields
folks.
are? They store like the outputs of the behaviors. So like let's say if you add two numbers together, or if you add or if you do a random number, that's what that green output is.
Oh,
It's
okay.
like the output of that.
Okay.
Um, but we're gonna use the output of the spawn on the object behavior. So let's grab the green circle from there
Okay.
and put it in that box on the top right.
This box.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is like something complex. This is called object referencing. So what
Okay.
you're doing here is you're moving the spawned object. Um,
Mm-hmm.
so let's set the duration to 0, so it just moves instantly.
Ratio. Duration or ratio?
Duration.
Oh, duration to 0. Okay.
Yeah, let's set that to 0 because
Okay.
you want it to move instantly. And
Okay.
let's set x to be the random number output.
X to be the number output.
The random number
The
output.
random output. Okay.
So grab the circle, put it in there. Yep.
Okay.
And yeah, you're almost done. Let's try it.
Ooh. Okay. Okay. Let's see.
So now one of them should move randomly. See how that's a little different?
Okay. Let's do it again because I didn't notice yet. All right. Okay.
Yeah, it's a little different.
It does look more different. Yeah. Ooh.
If you want it to be more different, you can change the random numbers to be bigger.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Because if you do bigger random numbers, then it's more like randomly
yeah.
the places will be in different spots. Okay. Okay, I see. I also feel like later on we should add the game over
Oh
later.
yeah, that's not gonna be hard. Don't worry about
Yeah,
that.
when you touch the mountain, it's like, oh, bad, Okay.
So yeah, you can adjust the numbers to be whatever you want. So if it's like too small, you can make it larger. So if you
Uh-huh.
want it to be like more spaced out, you can make it into a larger number.
Like maybe 10 or
Yeah, maybe 10, 15.
let's do 15 then. I like this number. All right.
And now they're more spaced out.
Okay, now I see the difference. Okay.
But it's random every time, so it's not the same.
It
Yeah,
does look nicer. Yeah, it looks more polished. Yeah. Okay.
awesome.
Yay.
Cool. Now you can also do the same thing for the other spawn on object behavior.
Hmm. Do the
Yeah.
same thing for
So
the
you
other
did it
stuff.
for one of them, you can do it for the other one.
Okay, so we're gonna duplicate the random object number behavior.
Actually, I'm gonna show you something cool.
Okay.
So yeah, select that random number behavior,
Okay.
and you said you wanted to duplicate the random number and move by behavior, right?
Yeah, I was thinking
Okay.
about
So instead of doing it individually, you can hold on the duplicate behavior.
that. Okay. Hold on.
Hold it. Hold on the duplicate icon
Oh, is it on the green
under
one?
the on label. Like hold on the duplicate icon.
Oh, the duplicate. Okay.
Yeah. Yep. And press duplicate,
Okay. Duplicate.
and
Oh,
then press check on the bottom right. Yep. And you just
oh.
duplicated that entire thing.
So when you like press on the duplicate button, then you're actually duplicating not just the one behavior, you're duplicating the behavior under that.
Yep. It will duplicate all the behaviors under it.
Oh, that's cool. Is there a specific reason why it doesn't duplicate the behaviors on top of it? Or is it just starts from the behavior
It
that?
always starts from the bottom, like from
Oh,
the behavior it's selecting and the behaviors to the bottom.
okay, that makes sense. But that's a cool feature. I didn't know that. Is
Yeah,
this
that's a feature I've added in.
Yay! What good job, Arc Scott.
Thanks.
All right. So
Cool, and then you can just move that to the other spawn on object
okay.
behavior.
does make life easier. It's like one of those little things that does make life easier when you're making a game for sure.
Yeah,
Because you have experience making games, you know what we need. All right, and that's good.
yeah.
Okay, so should
And
we?
in that move by behavior, you want to make sure that we're using the right output. So let's just plug in the output field to the correct.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Then.
So yeah, just put that in. Yep.
Mhm,
And
mhm,
same for the other output field.
mhm, mhm.
Boom. Now it should work for the other one. Let's try
Okay,
it.
okay, cool. Let's go. Oh yes, it looks so much nicer.
Yeah, and it works for both of them. Awesome.
That's cool.
Oh, that's so cool. But it looks kind of difficult.
No, that's what I'm saying. It's like if we didn't have the game overlayer, I would totally be dead by now.
I think it's because they're like too close
Game.
to each other, like
Yeah,
vertically.
I think that they're too close to each other. Not talking about what's close to each other is the peak of the mountain, the peak with the peak.
Yeah,
You
the
know what I
ones
mean?
that are like touching, almost touching.
Yeah. All
Yeah,
right. This is so funny because like once the airplane is gone, the it just keeps going because of the spawn behavior, right?
yeah.
All right, cool. Okay, so what should we fix now? Should we fix the difficulty or should we just like
I
add
think
the
let's fix the difficulty first.
yeah.
That's like the easier thing to fix.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's go back to the behaviors of that.
Oh, the behaviors of the box. Okay.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Of the small one. Okay, behaviors.
yeah. Um, I forgot which one it was, but in one of them, in one of the spawn on object behaviors, you have to like move the anchor to get it to the right place you want it. I don't know which one it is.
Okay, so we have this one and that one. Oh, we should have
Which
named
one spawns
them.
the top and which one spawns the bottom?
Yeah. Wait, let's check. This one is on the top, so I'm gonna write it down top.
You can
What?
actually rename these behaviors for
Yeah, yeah.
easier readability.
Let's rename it. Oh,
So you that one can be top, like just call it top, and then the other one could be called bottom.
oh, I forgot how to name. Oh, I rename it here on the labels. Okay, top,
Yep, that's how you rename a behavior. You just
top
tap on it and you just type it.
object,
Yep.
bottom.
Cool. You just renamed some behaviors.
Oh, okay. Oh my god. Yes. Did I wrote bottom wrong? I'm like Google Translate. Is it with an N?
Awesome.
Oh no, it's correct. Yes.
Cool. So we needed to fix the bottom one being too close to the top one. So
Okay.
let's do that.
Okay, let's do that.
So we don't really have to like move the anchor or anything. We can just change the numbers in the behavior.
Oh,
So
okay.
if you go into anchor, like press the anchor button,
Uh-huh.
there's these numbers, and you can just change these numbers to be whatever you want. So let's change the y to
Mm-hmm.
be like a smaller number. Right now it's like 25. Let's try 10.
Okay. Oops, I put 100 because
That's
I
gonna
can't
split it too
see.
high.
Okay,
That
10.
should work.
Okay, should we try?
Yeah, let's try it.
All right.
Oh
Oh
yeah,
wow.
the
Now it's too
wow,
easy.
it's really easy now.
Now this is a beginner's and the beginners like this is level 1. I mean, if we're thinking about doing uh levels, then this is a good beginner level, but it's too easy definitely. All right, so we go back on
Yeah,
this.
and then let's just make that number bigger, just a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Just go to the anchor thing.
Oh my god, I can. So I go to the bottom one, right? That's the one that we
Yeah, the
changed.
bottom one. That's one we need to fix.
Enter.
And
And
then
then
we just set it to be a larger number. Right
yeah,
now it was 10, so let's set it to be like 15.
let's see. I have a feeling it's still gonna be like easy, but let's try.
Yeah, let's try it.
Oh no, it's actually. Oh yeah, okay. That depends, I guess. Some of them is some of them is easy. Some of them is. Oh no, wow. The first one was harder, and then the other ones are easy.
Oh,
Yeah,
because the first ones are like the objects you already placed in the scene.
that's why. That's why.
Yeah.
All right. This is still a very small number. Let's try. Bottom. Thank you.
So you
Let's
think
try.
it's still spaced out too much?
I think so. Unless we can keep it like that if we want to do beginner, right? Like if
Okay, yeah, that's right. Yeah, we can.
yeah, this can
Okay,
be
let's
like
keep it like
a good
that.
beginner. Yeah. And then once we reach to certain points, then we can do like intermediate. And then
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. All right. So should we add the game over one, like overlay?
Yeah, let's do that.
Or like you have something else that you're thinking about for the
Let's do
behaviors?
the game over thing
Yeah.
first. It
Okay.
seems much easier.
It's still on the. Let's do the game over on which behavior or like which
We
layer.
can we can make an overlay like how we did in the last game.
Okay. We click on the sandwich bar, right on the
Yep.
left, the top left.
Yummy sandwich bar.
Yeah, I mean,
I
Hamid
don't know
said,
why they call it a sandwich bar.
I know,
It
Hamid said,
does kind of look like a sandwich.
yeah, after he said that, then, but it is a sandwich or is it a burger? That's the question.
I don't know. Actually, I think they call it a burger bar.
Yeah, is a burger a sandwich? All right, so we click here on the three lines for those who doesn't understand the burger thing, and then we click on over layers, and then we click on game over, and
Yep.
then by default we're gonna have this one, and then we can make it look prettier.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's do like a background maybe. Should we do like from our downloads? Tap
Let's
on
see.
background. No, it's gonna be too boring, right? Oh, no, but the game over should be something like sad.
It should be something sad.
It's like, yo, you lost. All right, maybe just like do a color because I didn't like the background options. We can
Yeah,
go
you
to
can
the
make the
hyper
colors
patch shop
be any
when you
color.
want, but I think that the color one works because the red plane. Maybe we do like a red background.
Yeah, I'm feeling red.
Oh, this
This
is
is
like
super red.
alert. This is very alert. Like you lost. You have no hopes. Just kidding, of course. All right. Game over one. I don't like the color green with red. It's too contrast, right? It's contrasting. Too much contrast. Maybe we do like a black. You know that red and black is like a soccer team from Brazil. It's called Flamengo.
Oh,
Um,
no.
yeah, my mom doesn't like that team.
Oh,
Because like she's from Rio, and usually people in Rio de Janeiro either cheer for Flamengo or Fluminense.
uh,
But yeah, Flamengo is like so because I'm a little biased. All right, so we have these. I'd also like want to add some funky sounds to it too.
okay.
Um,
Let's look for some funky fonts.
yeah, let's do it. So we click. Well, I remember something like you said something about behaviors, right? You click on you click on
Yeah.
the
Press on import in that.
import.
Uh, yeah, go into the assets.
Oh, the assets. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And
import.
then there's the import button on the left.
Okay. For those doesn't know, the assets are is the file on the right bottom. Okay. All right. So click on import and then click on fonts. Yee! Import fonts.
Yeah,
Oops. No, I don't have one ready. So which one should we do? The first or the second?
TTF.
TTF, right?
Yeah, BM fonts are different than TTF fonts.
Hmm.
They're older fonts. Like, yeah, HyperPad used to use BM fonts all the time, but we just decided to also include TTF fonts.
Mm,
Yeah,
nice.
just something cool. But we decided to keep BM fonts because they're still useful.
Yeah. All right. If you see like a font that it's throwing, it's thinking, it's calling you like tap tap bird game.
There's a lot of fonts.
Yeah. All right. I don't want to spend too much time on this, so I'm just gonna pick one that really that was cool. The American typefault is pretty cool. Marketing. I
These are
don't
some
know.
weird fonts.
Yeah, Bondomi ornaments. I think this is just like for decoration. Oh, I'm gonna choose the Harley hand. Looks like handwriting.
Okay,
Let's
yeah,
see.
like
Done.
awesome.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah. Oh, that looks good actually.
it does. Game over. I like it. Do we like the red or we want like this color?
I kind of like the red background's kind of too bright for me.
Yeah, it is too bright. Let's do this color, like a little burgundy, right? Burgundy, like my blazer. Burgundy.
It actually looks good.
Yeah, I like it. Let me just do a little bit darker. Yes. Yes. All right. It looks good. It does look a little bit spooky though, but we like it. We like spooky.
Yeah, spooky's fun.
Yeah. I do want to make this font bigger, so let me just increase the size. Game over. All right.
Awesome.
And then the restart. Oh, hand big. Oh, oh my god, it's not really working. I'm trying to move the restart, but it's working. Okay.
Oh, that's what you were trying to do. I thought you were trying to like actually move it. You're just trying to make it bigger.
Yeah, I do want to make it bigger, but the green one's giving me some Christmas vibes, so we're not there yet.
Oh, Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas is around the corner, but basically time is flying. All right, let's do like a yellow maybe. Let's see how it goes. It's really hard to do this with like long nails.
Oh my gosh, those are
I
long
should have
nails.
like done my Apple Pen. Like I do have my Apple Pen here, but I'm like lazy to get it. Yeah. Do you usually use iPad with the Apple Pen, or you use it with your fingers?
I use it with my fingers. I
Yeah.
used to have an Apple Pencil.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But it is some one of those portraits that if you don't draw, then you won't use it much as much, right? Do we like the yellow one as background? Yeah,
Eh,
too bright.
kind of looks weird.
I know. This is like a
Let's try orange maybe.
yeah, orange. Where are you, orange?
Orange is on the left
Oh, it's
between yellow and red.
art class. Come on, Chris, art class. Yeah,
You
I do
yeah,
like the orange.
yeah, that looks okay.
It's because if it's more orange, it's gonna be like, oh, where are you?
So maybe like more to the yellow. Yeah, I think that looks
Oh,
okay.
green. All right. I think this is good. Good enough, at least. Okay, okay, I like it. It looks fire, literally fire. Reminds me of that. It's also giving me Angry Birds vibes too.
Oh
Honestly,
yeah, it does remind me of Angry Birds.
right? Because Angry Birds is like red and yellow. All right, changing the color for this. How do I match like this color with this color?
Oh yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, so select the restart label
Okay.
and then select the color.
Mm-hmm.
And then you see those like boxes at the bottom?
Uh,
Oh, I mean you
I
could also just copy that. but
Okay,
there's an easier way to do it.
this one.
Okay, so let's select the color
Uh-huh.
and tap and hold on one of those boxes. Like tap and hold. Yep.
Oh,
You just copied the color. Now you can just go on the other one and just select that color.
that makes my life easier. I didn't
Yeah.
know. I didn't know that.
Yep.
Okay, this is definitely one of my favorite things outside of the duplicate one.
Yeah.
Behavior taught me today. All right, all right, I like that.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah. It's a little off center. The main menu button's off centered a little.
yeah, all right. We put it. Oops. Do you want to bring like a little bit up inside? Oh no, now it's bad.
That's too close. Wait. Undo.
You want
Okay.
me to change things? Are you sure about this? I'm just kidding. All right. Also, just the letter, it's like the fonts are like matching and the size is matching. So,
Yeah, that's good.
all right. I think it's okay, guys. This is a good start for game over layers. If you
Yes.
have an art, you can download it.
Are we gonna have a main menu?
You can add the little thing here. Main menu?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should add the main menu, right? We don't have one.
Unless the main menu is the
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 game?
screen that we played on, because there is like a tap to start thing.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's add that main menu. And then how do we add the one that you said?
Yeah, let's go to the behaviors of this one.
Okay, behavior.
And yeah, it's already using the right behavior. So select that behavior,
Okay.
the load scene behavior.
Load team.
Yeah, scene one is what it's called, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, then it's already selected, and you're good.
All right. And then the restart one is already selected too.
Yeah, the restart one should work the same. Yeah,
Okay.
restart scene.
Okay. Do we like the ready here, the airplane here? I think that's
I
good.
kind of like.
Yeah.
Oh
It's
yeah,
like
you should adjust the boxes, like, cause the restart button and the main menu buttons are like,
oh
cause you can
these.
accidentally touch the restart button, right?
Okay. Okay. Let's do that.
Yep, and the main menu button too.
Oops.
Yeah, see, you accidentally touched it.
That's true. I was wondering about this. Okay, so essentially what we're doing, we're clicking on these areas that are touching each other, and then we're editing so they don't go against each other when we touch them. So it's like what do you call this again? I forgot the name.
Collisions or like
Collision.
a hitbox.
Yeah. All right. Looks cool. It does match my nails, so I like that. Mm,
Oh
I
yes.
like. Red is good. All right. We have the game over layer, and now we have to add the mountains as like when you touch the mountain, then game over, right? We haven't done that yet, right?
Yeah, that's
Mm,
easy. That's really easy.
yeah,
Let's try that. It's
that's great.
I'm telling you, it's only two behaviors. You're gonna be so surprised at how simple this is.
All right, let's go back to scene one then.
All
Mhm.
right, so let's add a tag. Like select that obstacle, like one of them.
A tag,
Like no, let's select the an obstacle.
obstacle. Okay,
So like the spikes, one of them.
one
Okay,
of.
and then you see that the icon next on the very right, it looks like tags.
Oh
That's what I
yeah,
was talking about
yeah,
earlier. Yeah,
tag.
select that, and we
Mhm.
want to add a tag called obstacles.
Obstacles. Okay, I'm like lazy, so can I just?
Oh, okay, yeah, you can name it whatever you want, honestly. So yeah, OBS.
I maybe I should write it down obstacles so people don't confuse.
Yeah.
Wait a second. This was not a good idea. Oh,
Obstacle. Yep.
okay.
Cool. And then you just press the plus button. That will add. Add it to the object. Cool. And now you want to do it to the other obstacles.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
So
maybe we should
select that
number
one,
them.
and then just add the obstacles tag. Oh, why is it not popping up? Did you add it for the other one?
Oh, I didn't? Oh, okay. I thought
Oh,
I,
yeah, I thought you did. Maybe you didn't press the plus button.
yeah.
Obstacles, press plus. Yep, and then add it for the other one.
I definitely wrote this wrong.
Yeah, yeah. You don't have to add it every time. You see, it's already there.
Oh, it's already there? Okay, okay.
Yeah, boom, and then you can just do it for the other obstacles on the right. Like if you scroll right. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot. These are the only spikes you have in the scene.
Yeah, I was like, well,
Yeah, they just spawn in. Okay, we're good. We're good.
I was like, you're confusing me, RX code.
I'm
What are we
confused
doing?
myself.
Is there an invisible obstacle that we added in this game that I'm not aware of? We already have two invisible objects in this game. All right.
Okay, we're already halfway done. So let's go on the plane
Okay.
object, and
Oh,
go
I
to the
was like, let's add
behaviors.
another plane. Never
Oh
mind.
no, don't add another plane. We already have a
Okay,
plane.
delete it. It's only one plane.
Yeah,
Okay.
go to the plane, the
Okay.
behaviors. Go to the behaviors, and then search for a behavior called collide.
Yay, I like
Collide.
the behavior.
There it is.
All
Collided.
right. Mm-hmm.
And then the cool thing about tags is that you can just select the tag icon at the bottom right.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you don't have to select the
Yeah,
object.
okay. Just the
Select
bottom
the
line.
tag icon and select the obstacles.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I've seen
So
people doing this on their games, but I've also seen people manually adding the obstacle. Is there a specific difference, like for you to do the tag one and for you to do the one? Like,
there's
what is
actually
it?
no difference at all.
Yeah, there's no
There's just
difference.
easier way of saying, oh, if I touch any of these objects, do this.
Okay, okay, I see. So the
So
cool
if I
thing about
touch any object with this obstacle tag, then do something. So
I
that's what
see.
this does. Yeah.
I get it. Now I get it because I've read tutorials where I taught with tags and I also done it where I taught without tags. So I'm just like, all right, let's ask this question for you guys. All right.
Yeah. So this
So
is just an easier way of just doing a bunch of things with a bunch of objects at the same time.
okay, I see. I see. So now that we have the collision touching the tags, which is the mountains, now we're gonna do like a game over one and then
Yeah,
relay
the behavior for this is load overlay.
low overlay. Hmm.
Yep, cool. Just select it and
Hmm.
then connect them. Cool. And now you just have to select the game over
Hmm.
screen in the load overlay behavior. Oh, in the load overlay behavior.
Oh, okay, in the load.
Yeah, yeah.
I was like, is there a behavior called game over?
No, no. Yeah, there it is. You're good.
Okay, should we try?
Yeah, let's try it.
Yeah. Also,
Ooh, that
it
was
does
close.
this game over behavior also works if ready falls on the floor?
Well, not yet. We can program that in. That's not hard to do.
Okay. Okay, let me die. Uh, I'm gonna. No, Clarissa, you have to be bad. Okay, here you go. Well,
Uh
okay,
oh, it's off.
it does look a little off. You are right. I don't. We need to fix this, but it kind of looks cool. I don't know if
Okay.
the airplane was a little bit high. I
Yeah,
it would look
yeah.
cool. All right, at least the game
This is
over behavior works.
um,
That was funny.
the game over thing was a bug. Like it's not supposed to be off like that. It's like
Oh,
off.
really?
Yeah, that's not your fault. That's like a hyperpad thing.
Me
I have to fix
and Samuel. Alright. RX codes. Developers. Is there a behavior you can find to fix this bug?
that. I don't think we need to add a behavior. We just need to fix that.
Yeah.
I mean, the fix right now is just to move it up and left.
Uh-huh.
Let's in
Yeah.
the overlay.
All right. But do we have to fix that one ourselves
For
or
now, but when there's an update that fixes it, then we don't have
okay.
to worry about it. See, it looks normal, but when you play it, like press the play button, it doesn't look normal when you press the play button. Yeah, I don't know why it's off like that. That's weird.
Guys, pause. We need the detector here, the spray detector.
That's
Just
weird.
kidding. It's okay. You fix it. You figure it out. You guys.
Yeah.
That's
Maybe okay. Try to go into like one of the objects, any object. It doesn't matter which object it is.
okay.
Yeah, and press behaviors, and try to search for a behavior called screen to point. Screen to point. Yep, there it is. And then select that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's another bug. There's not supposed to be that big gap right there.
All right. Let's just go back to the game and then.
No, no, this is an easy fix.
Oh, it is
This
fixed.
should
Okay.
work. This
How
should
do you do
work. All right, press on that gap.
the
Not
gap?
the box gap. Press on the gap. Oh,
Where's
it
the?
doesn't work.
It
The
doesn't
gap
work.
under the box. Okay, press on the box then.
I was. Yeah, it doesn't work. The box.
Oh, the box sort of space under it don't work.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Now you want to center it. So
Oh. Okay. Let me.
yeah.
Here you go.
Boom. Now when we play the scene, this should fix.
Oh, okay.
Yay! We fixed
Yay.
it.
We have behaviors for these bugs. You know what I mean? If you have a bug in Hyped, there's always a behavior that will fix the bug, right? Just ask
Yay.
for code, guys.
I didn't expect that to work honestly.
That's
So
what.
now I know what to do when I fix this bug later on.
All right.
So that's two bugs for me to fix: the screen to point behavior and the screen being off.
That's
No.
why we do these tutorials.
Yeah.
All right, so we have to add the behavior that when the airplane falls down, it's also game over too, right?
That's pretty easy actually.
Yeah.
So select the plane behavior,
Mm-hmm.
and there's a screen. There's a behavior called the hit screen edge. I think that's what it's called. Hit screen edge. Yep,
Yeah.
there it is. Cool. And in that behavior, like select it. And see, there's an option to have it on all sides, but
Oh,
let's only have it for the top and bottom. So disable left and right. Cool. And then just connect that to the load scene behavior or load overlay behavior. Yep, you're done.
okay.
Now it should work.
Hit
Let's
screen
try it.
edge.
So whenever you hit the bottom or the top screen, it will just
Oh,
load this game over screen.
that's
Excellent.
nice. So if I but I don't remember if on the tap bird game, the original one, if I tap too much on the high, if it's game over. Is it game over? Because I
Yeah,
don't.
I think so because there's like stuff on the top that
Okay, that makes sense. Well, the restart button is working. Let me try
the
the main
Flappy
scene.
Bird game's not like that, but I think in the Tappy playing demo it is.
Okay. Oh, here you go. It works. And then I click on main menu and it works. Main menu and restart is the same so far.
Awesome. That it
Yeah.
works perfectly.
Good job.
Yes.
Any questions, guys? Like, feel free to ask us
I see
questions.
no questions.
Okay.
I just see someone saying hi, and I just
Hi.
respond hi back.
How
Hi.
you doing? I don't always check the comments, guys. I'm sorry. But if you have comments, let me know. All right. So, basically, our game is basically done. Well, what
Yeah,
else?
we're basically done. We just have to like polish it up and stuff.
Yeah, let's make it pretty. Yeah, how would
Yeah,
you make this game pretty and
the tap
polished?
on start looks weird. Let's fix that.
Okay, okay.
The tap to start button.
Oh, so the
It's
tap
on
to
the
start
scene. I
button.
think it's on the scene UI, is it, or is it in the start layer?
Oh, it's on the start. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, cool.
Let's write it down pretty, right? Make cute
Yeah.
fonts. Oh no, this is fine. Just check different fonts. Maybe this one, different colors.
You could also mess around with the outline and the shadow of the
Yeah,
text.
let's do that.
Yeah.
How do we do the outline and the shadow for the
You
oh
just
shadow?
you just tap on that outline, like yeah,
Mhm,
and then you can just edit it.
mhm, mhm.
Oh yeah, you have to set a color to it. Right now it's transparent.
Oh, it's transparent.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
just imagine
Kenny.
using Photoshop. I think that's too big.
I
The
know.
outline.
I'm just like I'm so happy. I really like this feature. I didn't know about this. Oh my gosh, it literally looks like a clown. I love it. Taffy art. It is spooky. Let's try
It's
maybe.
hard to read when it's like that.
Oh, yellow is
Oh,
good.
that looks a little better.
Yeah. Do we have any color suggestion?
Nah, I think red and yellow kind of fit together, honestly.
Yeah, it does. The ketchup and mayo. It can never go wrong. All right. And then the outline, and you said shadow too. Let's see the shadow. Blur. Like if I add like 5 and then opacity. Ooh, look at this. It looks so cool. Does look nice. A green shadow.
Green shadow
Oh,
kind of looks weird.
yeah, I was like, okay. It does look a little spooky. I'm feeling spooky today. Oh, let's do like a red. No, no. Maybe a pink.
That's cool.
Yeah. Maybe like because this Barbie movie coming, so
I forgot about the Barbie movie.
yeah. Oh my god. That's nice. I mean, it's really cool how creative you can get on this. And the distance? An angle?
You can adjust that if you want. The distance is how far it's from like the text. So the
Oh,
shadow can be like above or below or on to the left or to the right. You can have it wherever you want.
I like this. Ooh, ooh, nice.
Whoa.
Are you
I
guys
kind of like
okay? Yeah. Look at this, guys.
it. It looks.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
I like it. Let's make it bigger, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
It's like kind of small. Oops. Oh,
Yeah, you have to make the box bigger to fit.
uh,
Awesome. Oh, that looks so good.
damn. Designers here, guys.
Yes.
Oh my god.
This is what actually what I use to make the thumbnails too. This feature alone is what made my thumbnails look so good.
I'm gonna start using thumbnails too. What
Yeah, you
do
would you
that?
literally use Hyperpad as like Photoshop.
Literally, like
Yeah,
watch my
that's what I
media post with Hyperpad.
do.
Yo, who needs Canva, man?
Yes, honestly, you can replace Canva with this. I'm not
Canva's
lying. I
Canva,
actually use this to
Cal
make my
CEO.
YouTube thumbnails.
All right, I like this. This looks fire. This looks really fire. I'm really excited to see all the designs that I can come up with Hyperpad. This is really cool. So,
Yes.
just out of curiosity, if I want to do a thumbnail for this live stream, and I want to edit the specific dimensions of my photo, if I want to do like specific dimensions for YouTube, I add it on here. Like, how do I edit? Like, how do I
Oh,
do this
there's not
specific?
really a way to like set the image size, but you can literally just take a screenshot and
Yeah.
resize.
Oh, okay, 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 cool. I was just
That's
wondering.
all I do.
Oh, okay, okay. I do that too, but I was just wondering if then you can give
There is a
specific
way to like do that,
dimension.
but like it's kind of complicated because it
Oh,
uses some very complicated behaviors.
oh, really?
Yeah,
Damn. Maybe for next live stream. All
and
right.
that's like a lot to put into one stream. So
Yeah, we're trying to keep the streams a little short, guys. So if you guys have questions, feel free to ask Q&A questions during our streams. I'm not very good at keeping track of the questions, but our Xcode is checking the questions, right?
Yeah, I don't see any new questions yet.
All right, all right. So, what you guys thinking? What else should we add in our game? Like, what else should we make it to look pretty? Should we do to make it to look pretty?
Ooh, let's do something very, very simple actually.
Okay.
So let's go to the assets. There should be like an asset of like,
Oops.
oh yeah, there should be like some assets that we can use to put on the thing. So let's go to downloads. Oh, I think I already have it.
Oh, we have it on the package downloads. Okay.
Yeah, go to yeah, and then there should be yeah. Let's use the hand.
Okay. Which one? There's three hands. The one with
Let's
the
use the one of the yellow stuff.
yeah. I was gonna say I like that one.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So this is gonna be like telling the user, oh, tap the screen to
Yeah,
start.
I like that.
So yeah, this is a very simple like addition, but it communicates a lot of information to the user. And that's what I like about this.
Yeah, I
So
like
you can just adjust that to wherever you want it. Whoa,
too big, right?
it's okay. I think it's just too close to the text.
Tap to start.
Yeah. And the cool thing about this is that you can animate anything you want. So let's go into the behaviors of that hand.
Okay.
Cool. And let's add a behavior called play animation.
I like that behavior.
Play
Mm-hmm.
animation. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. And then now you can select press on that and press on the assets.
So like animation, assets.
And then you can select the hand with the yellow stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can go back and press the hand without the yellow stuff. So it's
Ooh.
gonna animate between those. Oh, press that. Go into the assets. Yep, and press the other hand, the smaller one. Yep, cool. Yeah, and you can set how fast this is. So it's too fast right now. Let's set it to be like 10
Mm-hmm.
frames per second.
Oh,
It's still too fast, kind of.
yeah.
Let's set it to be like 2, 5, 2. I don't know.
That's it
The
too.
cool thing is that you can see it live.
Oh my
Yeah,
God,
yeah.
guys, look
You can
at
check
this.
out retro style. I like that.
This looks so nice.
Cool.
Let's
You're pretty much done with it. Now, if you try it,
oh,
yeah, that's so cool.
that's
It's a
nice.
simple little addition, but it does a lot.
It does. It does. That's what differentiate your game to the next one. All right.
Cool.
What else should we do? We're just going with the flow, guys. At this point,
Honestly, we could add whatever you want. It's our game.
that's true. Um, if let's do levels. So we have the scene one. Should we do like a level, harder level?
Yeah, if you can duplicate this level.
Yeah, let's do that. So I
Okay,
keep on scene, right? Like I click
go to the hamburger menu.
the
Yeah,
hamburger menu. Make
I
me
think that's what
hungry.
we call it. And then press on the gear icon next to the scene one,
Okay.
and then
Duplicate.
press duplicate, and
Okay.
you're pretty much done. Boom, and you're
Right.
already in the duplicated scene.
All
So
right. So
go,
this one's gonna make it
yeah.
hard.
If you press on the hamburger menu, now you have two scenes. Yep.
Oh, nice. What's like? How do I edit the name of the scene?
Oh, press settings,
Settings.
and
Okay.
then you can just rename it.
Scene two.
Awesome.
Save. Perfect.
Yes. And
I'm
for this
liking
package,
this.
you can make it harder if you want.
Yeah, let's make it harder. It's too easy.
All right.
Mm. And then we're done. I promise.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So we click on the
Okay. By harder, do you mean like to make the gaps smaller?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Let's
Yeah,
do.
and do you remember how the gaps were like a little bit wide, too easy?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's do that. Let's do that.
Oh, and then after we have to add the numbers, the label with the numbers of like
Oh yeah.
how many times like he goes on the hoop of
That's
between
actually
watches.
kind of hard because the bottom and the top spikes are not like aligned, but
Um,
that's okay. There's another way we can measure this, and we can just use like how far the plane went, like the
Okay,
distance of the
okay.
plane. So
Should we do that first before we add scene two?
you already added scene two.
No, we already add scene two before we work on scene two.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
anyways, it would be interesting to already have that label in the global UI, so then it's in all the scenes, right?
Yeah. Okay. Let's try that.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go into global UI
Okay.
and press on the empty object or press on the label.
Label. Mm-hmm.
And you just adjust it. Cool. Okay, put it wherever you want,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can just
Zero, right?
yeah, or any number honestly.
No, it's because it's like zero is because it starts at zero and then it
That
counts
makes sense.
how many times you pass through the mountain, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but at the same time, it's gonna be replaced with another number. So
Oh, really?
yeah,
Should we
you can
write
honestly put anything in that text. Like you can call it score, you can call it whatever.
score? I like that. Score.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And now let's go into the plane.
The plane, okay. No, not
Or
on the
wait, is
overview.
it better to just let's use tags?
This
To make this
way.
easier. Okay, so let's add a tag to the plane. Just call it plane.
But the tag, do you want me to be in the main scene? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Like press on the tag and press plane, because we also wanted to work on the other scene too.
Okay. Plane.
Plane. Cool. And now let's go to the scene or the score label that we just added earlier, and press behaviors.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can have a timer that's constantly checking the plane's position. So let's add a timer. And then let's edit the timer behavior first.
Uh-huh.
You can set it to be like you can set it to update really fast. So let's just set it to be like 0.1 seconds. So every 0.1 seconds it will do something.
Okay.
Cool. And then let's get a behavior called get position.
Mm.
Yep. And then we want to get the position of the plane. So let's select the tag plane.
Mm-hmm. Plane.
Oh no, select the tag. The tag.
Ooh, okay, tag. On the tag
Yeah.
is on the bottom right.
Yep.
Yeah, plane.
And the reason why we're using tags for this one is because we wanted to work on all scenes.
Okay, yeah. Mhm.
So we can add we can add the plane tag to all the planes in all of our scenes, but have it work the same.
All right, let's
Cool.
do it.
And
So,
now there's like two ways to do this. But
mm-hmm,
first, let's use a set label behavior. So search for a set label behavior.
mm-hmm,
Cool, and add that to the scene. And we're just using this to test it. So connect it under the get position behavior,
mm-hmm,
and in that behavior, we want to set the text to be the X position. So let's drag the output of the get position behavior into the text. Yep.
mm-hmm,
Put a position X.
mm-hmm.
Cool. And now when you try out the scene, it should work.
Okay.
Yep. It goes up every time. And what this is doing, it's calculating how far the plane has went.
Oh, it's
But you
like,
can see there's like a bunch of decimals after it, and it kind of looks ugly. So let's fix that.
well, I was gonna say I don't like this. Okay,
You kind of like the decimals?
I don't like the decimals. No.
Okay, we can take those out. It's
Yeah.
really easy. There's
Okay.
a behavior for that. It's called a round up number.
Bless. Okay. Round up.
Yep. Oh, where'd it
Oops.
go? Round number.
Round number.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I thought round up number.
There it
Yeah.
is. It's the green one. Yeah. And for this one, or set it above the set label actually.
Oh, okay.
Yep, put it above.
With get position then.
Like under the get position above the set label.
Okay, like this. And then I like cut down the here.
Yeah,
Then I just do this one. Is that
cool.
what you mean?
In the round number behavior, we want to like put the x position in there because that's what we want around. So, oh yeah, there's a bunch of ways to round numbers, but we you just wanted to cut the decimals, and this is already doing that.
Okay. So these other options of ceiling, floor, and truncate, what does that
These are
mean?
just other ways around the numbers. So
Mhm.
rounding it, it's just rounding it to the nearest number. Ceiling is rounding it to like the highest number. So if it's like 1.1, it'll round it up to 2.
Okay.
And for floor, that's gonna round it down. So if it's 1.1, it'll just round it down to 1.
Oh, okay.
Truncate kind of does the same thing, um, but it rounds towards 0. So if it was a negative number, it'll round up. But if it was a positive number, it'll round down. That's what truncate does.
Mm,
You really don't have to worry about that. We're just using round.
okay. I'm just want you to explain to the other people watching this. So.
Yeah.
All right.
So let's plug in the x position of the get position behavior.
Oh, get position.
Yep.
Oops.
Plug it to the top one and put x. Cool. And now we can do something cool of this. In games like Temple Run, they don't just display the number; they display like the unit after it. So like 100 meters, 200 meters. It's not 100 or 200. It's 100 or 200 meters. There's something after the number. And the way to do that is using a combined text behavior.
Hmm.
So
Combine
let's
text.
search for a combined text behavior.
Okay.
Yep, and add that in. Cool. Let's put it above the set label but under the round number.
Okay.
So kind of like what you did earlier.
Above the set behavior and oh, okay. So just like connect these two.
Below.
Oh,
It's
okay.
below
Okay.
the round number behavior. My bad.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Also, there's a easier way to do this.
Oh, okay.
Um,
Like
you
this.
can tap the circle that's connected to the to the set label behavior.
Syllable. Okay.
So you can tap on the circle, like on the round number behavior that's connected to the circle behavior. Not
Oh.
like that. Like on a round number behavior, there's a circle on it.
Uh huh.
Like just tap on it. You see how it like goes back. You can just redirect it to the combined text behavior. So if
Oh.
you tap and hold on it and connect it to the combined text behavior, it will just reconnect it. So let's try that.
Okay. So for this one, I just click here, the combined text behavior.
Press no press on the circle icon.
Oh, on the circle icon.
Yeah, like that. But like do it to the one that's connected to the set label
Oh,
behavior. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
okay. I see. I see. Did I
Okay,
do it right?
I mean you could. There's multiple ways to do it, but I want to show you the easy way.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's disconnect this combined text behavior,
Okay. Combined text behavior.
or just let's disconnect it from the
Disconnect.
round number behavior. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Now let's try this. Press on the circle under the round number behavior, the one that's connected to the set label,
Mm-hmm.
and move it to the combined text behavior.
This one.
Yep. Boom.
Okay.
Yeah, that was all I wanted you to do.
Oh, about
That's
the
how you
set
can change
label.
like the behavior that's connected to it.
Oh, what about the set label? Is this gonna be like this?
Let's connect the set label under the combined text behavior. That's what I wanted to do this whole time.
Oh my God, sorry about this. Friday.
Okay, yeah, it's a Friday. It's a nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, nice. Now in the combined text behavior, for value A, let's use the output of the round number behavior.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And for value B, this will be like what's gonna show after it. So you can just put M for meters.
Meters.
Yep. Yeah. And you're almost done. You can disable the add space toggle.
Okay. What
And
it
what
is
that
the
does is
space?
that adds a space in between the first and the second value, but you
Mm,
really there shouldn't be a space in between those. But
okay.
you're almost done. Let's go to the set label behavior.
Okay.
And from there, let's use the combined text output.
Combine text output.
Oh wait, wrong behavior.
Oh, which one? Which behavior?
Set label.
Oh,
You're in the combined text behavior right now. Okay, now
yeah,
set move the output to that.
this one here.
Yep. Cool. Now it should work.
All right. Let's try.
4 meters. Like, look, it works. It works.
I like that. I didn't
Yeah.
even think about adding meters. For me, it
Yeah.
was just like I was thinking, let's add the numbers of time that it goes around the hoop. But anyways, it wouldn't make sense because it's not always gonna be a hoop. And it's an
Yeah.
airplane, so it makes sense to like be flying in meters.
Yeah. Yeah.
I see you. I see your point. I see where you're going. That's good. That's good. All right, so now it's 4 p.m. So I think we
Yeah.
should end
That's a
this
good way to
game.
end it.
Yeah, I think we our game is it's basically done. Maybe we can do like let us know guys in the comments if you want to see like a part 3 for this game or if you guys want to see like another game. We can do an Angry Bird game next time.
Oh,
Just a
that sounds
suggestion.
fun.
But it's any game that you guys have suggestions, or if you want us to keep going with this game, leave us a comment below, okay? Okay, guys, don't forget to download HyperPad for 4.99 if you guys are new. And thank you so much, RX Codes, for coming here today and help us
Oh,
doing this cool tutorial. All right,
thank
I
you,
will end this.
Clarissa. This was fun.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Have a nice day,
You
guys.
too. Bye, guys.
Bye.